Reliable power is the backbone of any industrial operation. Meanwell understands the unique power requirements of harsh industrial environments. Jameco offers a diverse range of Meanwell robust power supplies and converters designed to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and other challenging conditions. Meanwell's customizable industrial power solutions ensure optimal performance and efficiency tailored to your application needs. Meanwell is continually seeking creative ideas and broadening its product range to provide consistent power solutions that satisfy the most recent technologies. Meanwell ERG 5000 series is a grid-type energy recycling power inverter that supports 5 kilowatt rated and up to 6 kilowatt input. It can achieve high efficiency of up to 91%. Its modular design can be used independently or connected in series or parallel to offer flexible output combinations. Applications include battery test or power supply aging, energy recycling, and connector mechanical testing. Meanwell's 3+N system solutions are suitable for serving as the main AC/DC power source for various laser applications, including CO2 lasers, fiber lasers, and diode lasers. Requirements often include high-speed PWM switching, fast response time, high efficiency, low ripple, and multiple control functions. To meet the diverse demands of laser power sources, Meanwell offers a variety of 3-phase, 3-wire high-power supplies. The RST series provides a wide-range adjustment function for output voltage and current by means of an external control signal. They offer 2 overload protection mechanisms: the continuous constant limiting mode and constant current limiting with delay shutdown, providing flexibility for high-power system design. The SHP series has high-efficiency AC/DC power with 2 cooling methods: forced air and water cooling with an ambient temperature of up to 70 degrees Celsius. It has vast flexibility with built-in functions such as output programming, auxiliary power, and active current sharing to enhance automation. The RCP series is a rack-mountable, low-profile front-end power supply with a single output. The series is cooled by a built-in DC fan with power control and operates on 90 to 264 VAC input voltages. The series provides a wide range of design options, including the ability to program outputs, active current sharing, and the PM bus and CAN bus communication protocols. Meanwell's dedication to quality engineering and manufacturing ensures its products satisfy strict performance, dependability, and safety standards in demanding industrial settings. Contact us today to discuss your product requirements. Email productsupport@jameco.com or call 1-800-794-9100 for free product samples and quote requests.